Hello, this is Millennium Fast from YouTube, and right now I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your cell phone and iPhone look and sound like the codecs from Metal Gear Solid. I got the idea to do this by watching OpmitsP's YouTube video for the Metal Gear codecs ringtone, and after I watched the video I thought it was a really cool idea, so I tried it out on my own cell phone and it worked really good, and I give OpmitsP full credit for coming up with the idea. So now I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can make your cell phone or iPhone, if you have one, look like and sound like the codecs from Metal Gear. So the first thing you'll want to do is you're going to want to watch OpmitsP's video to find out exactly how to do this on your phone, and in the video he will tell you to go to the info box for his video and take the MP3 format and download and turn it into a ringtone on your phone. And how you do that is you can download the MP3 file by using a USB cable, or which you can find them anywhere that sells computer accessories, or if you don't have enough money to get the USB cable, you can also upload the file using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi on your phone. So after you have downloaded the MP3 format file onto your phone, set it to be your ringtone. So now when people call you, you'll hear the codecs ring. Now the next step is optional. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, and it doesn't do anything. It's only used for pretend. But if you want to make your wallpaper look like the interface for the codecs, go to the wallpaper link that OpmitsP has in the video and open that, and when you get that link open, copy that picture and download that onto your phone and set that to be your, and if you have an iPhone, set it to be your wallpaper. But if you have a cell phone with a front screen that allows you to change the picture on the front screen, like the Samsung Alias 2 can do, set the wallpaper that OpmitsP has as your front wallpaper. And the next step is optional, and you don't have to do this if you don't want to, but something that is not shown in OpmitsP's video was on my Samsung Alias 2, created a wallpaper to imitate the two-way video chat interface that the codecs has in the game. And how you do that is you go to Google and type in Metal Gear codecs. That's all you type in. And then click on, and then after you type that in, click on images, and that will bring up a whole bunch of images you can use. So keep going through all the images until you find one that you can that you like and want to use. So I just randomly picked one. And you can use the picture exactly as it is, or if you have Adobe Photoshop or Microsoft Paint on your computer like I do, you can take the picture and copy it into Photoshop and play around with it a little bit. You can erase the text and put in your own text. You can change the pictures with your own pictures, or whatever you want to do. And after you get the picture to look how you want it to look like, copy and send that to your phone as a wallpaper, and set that to be your main wallpaper on your cell phone, and that will make your cell phone imitate the it won't really turn your cell phone into a codex, but it's really cool to do because it makes your cell phone wallpaper look like the interface for the codecs that you see here. So after you do that and have set that to be your main wallpaper, your phone should now look, if you have a Samsung Alias or a similar phone, that allows you to change the wallpaper for both the front screen or the and the main wallpaper. Your phone should now look something like this, and I apologize if you guys can't see it, but I have the call interface wallpaper on there that OpmitsP had in his video, and then when I open my phone, it has this picture right here. And that is how you make your cell phone or iPhone look like the codecs and sound like the codecs from the video game Metal Gear. So please have a great day, and I'll see you guys later on YouTube.